Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear an air gap. So I have a Bosch dishwasher, but this actually can work with maybe many other dishwashers. And my Bosch dishwasher is showing an E24 error, which is pretty common. And usually when that happens, is because the air gap, this is a system where the drain from the dishwasher goes up here, and you can kind of have this area where you can clear things. As you can see, I have some stuff in there inside the air gap, and I'm going to show you how to clear this using a particular method that is pretty easy to do, and it's not messy. So first thing first, you need to remove this cap right here. So you remove this cap, and okay, this is how you would remove the cap. I just take a plier like this, put it on one side, and then just pry it out, and that's how you remove it. And you don't actually need to remove this ring right here. I'm actually going to put it back so that it doesn't fall down. But you remove this cap so that it exposes it just like that. So removing this cap is pretty easy. This is just there's a clip on both sides right there. So you're just going to squeeze it with a plier. I'm using a multi-tool like this. And then once you get that open, then you can see if you have something stuck in there. And once you clear whatever is stuck, then you can put this cap back. Once you clear what's stuck, you can put this thing back just like this. All right, so I'm gonna be using a dog bowl, and I'm gonna turn on the dishwasher. Put it on rinse. Don't worry about the time, and then just go ahead and press start. I'm gonna close this. As soon as I close this, I am going to place my dog bowl like that, upside down, and I'm gonna make sure to put some pressure on it so that it pushes the water away and it doesn't drip anywhere around the counter. The red light down there, confirm that it's on, and I'm gonna cover this, put one hand on it, and you're gonna start seeing water gushing out pretty soon. Hasn't started yet. Okay, so water is starting to flow, as you can see there. So that should clear whatever is blocking your air gap. If it doesn't clear it, I would use a stick like this and kind of poke the whatever is getting the food, whatever it is that is getting it stuck, using a stick, and then repeat the step again to get the water to push it out. Here's an example of how I use the bamboo stick skewers to make sure that all of these things are clear, and then we'll repeat the rinse procedure again. This is how you would put the cap back on. The shorter part right here with the notch goes towards where the hose is, and you just push it down, and there you go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.